Best cryptocurrency exchanges if you are located in the USA. Okay, so we're talking about exchanges that have USD on-ramps and exchanges that are trustworthy, right? So we're looking at KYC options and also some alternatives. So if you're in the US, you need two things from a crypto platform. You need a clean platform with good UX and good USD rails and credible compliance. After that, your priorities are definitely fees and liquidity, whether they have derivatives or staking or what type of tokens and coins, and that will decide the winners. Below you'll find we will be talking today about some of the best ones that you can use, right? So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe and check out the links down below. The best or most popular cryptocurrency exchange in the US is Coinbase. Beginner-friendly, huge ecosystem, clean UX, deep liquidity, broad listings, and a long compliance track record. Great for first buys, recurring purchases, and on-chain transfer to self-custody. But remember, only USD balances at partner banks benefit from that FDIC or NCUSIF insurance. Crypto does not. Okay, so Kraken is number 2 here. Low fees, pro tools, and also now allowing staking again. So Kraken has a reputation. It's been around for a long time. Relaunched on-chain staking for US clients in eligible states. 17 assets, including eToro, ADA, slashing insurance, and a clear rulebook. Also added PayPal funding for US customers this year. So great one to check out. Check out the links down below. Binance US back to full USD rails after a rocky 23-24. USD ACH deposits withdrawals are live again. They with trading on USD pairs restored. If you like the old fee structure, it's worth a fresh look. Okay, go check out Binance, link down below. Gemini, security first. Saga winding down though, but Gemini definitely remains one of the top platforms out there with institutional custody. SOX examinations in 2024, end users began receiving a second 97% assets back in kind after the Genesis bankruptcy process. Distributions continue per court settlement timelines. Crypto.com also feature-rich app here. CFTC regulated with the derivatives app is loaded with spot card rewards, NFTs. You can trade futures also in the USA directly from the app. Bitstamp, the steady regulated one here, one of the longest running exchanges holding that New York bit license, and emphasizes transparent fees, reliability, a good set and forget venue here. Robinhood, now with Bitstamp muscle, Robinhood closed its acquisition of Bitstamp actually in June 2025, and combining that Robinhood zero commission brand with Bitstamp's global institutional grade exchange stack. Expect faster features there, rollouts and broader reach. eToro, bitFlyer USA also, you can all get some stocks and ETFs and crypto with a simple fee structure here. bitFlyer USA is a minimalist, security-focused exchange with lawmaker taker fees on its Lightning book as well. So let's talk about some no-KYC exchanges that you might use in the USA. You would need to do further research on whether you'll be allowed to do this, but you have platforms like KCEX, okay, which is very simple, zero spot fees, 0.01 on the future taker fees, right? Positions itself is a FinCEN regulated MSB. Built for speed, also MEXC, no tier, no KYC tier with this one. Phemex, so you can start trading without KYC. Withdrawals depend on your limits though. Tapbit, derivatives centric, also Bitunix, trading without KYC is possible. So when you're looking at all these options, guys, the best thing is just to go to our main site, Decentralised.news. We've got a curated proper tab there, the ecosystems tab, where you can see all the best cryptocurrency exchanges, all the best wallets, all the best trading tools. So that's where you need to head on over to and make sure you guys get started. At the end of the day, if you're using a regulated US exchange, You need that USD rail at a KYC crypto only venue there. If you really need some privacy, maybe you can try to explore if there are some non-KYC options available to you. So that's all for the USA today. Make sure you check out the links down below if you want to learn about decentralized finance. Go to defi-millionaire.com. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Also check out my book, Blockchain Applied, if you want to learn about real-world use cases of distributed ledgers across multiple industries. And also if you want to learn about real-world asset tokenization on the blockchain, especially equities and real estate, you can go check out Tokenized Trillions. Is available everywhere, Walmart, Amazon, wherever you go. You will find all my books. Peace and love, guys.